Good morning, beta. In the last class, we were doing understanding quadrilateral. Question number 7 we are doing. First part we have discussed. Now let's start with 7 question. B part exercise 3.1. You have to find the sum of x plus y plus z plus w. You all know that sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is always 360. You can use the direct result if one mark question is there. But if the question is to find the values of x, y, z, then you have to show that the sum of x, y, z and w is 360. This you have to show. You will definitely get their sum as 360, but you have to find each and every angle. Then you will add them to show that the sum is 360. But if one mark question is there, you can use a direct result also. Now here, find x. This is your linear pair. Find x. 120 plus x is equal to 180. X is equal to 60 degree. This is linear pair. Now find y. 80 plus y is equal to 180 linear pair. Y is equal to 100. Then find z. 60 plus z is equal to 180 linear pair. Z is equal to 120. Okay. Now find W. How you will find W? Firstly, you will find this angle 1 by using angle sum property inside the triangle, inside the quadrilateral. Then after getting 1, you can find W. Now angle 1, angle 1 plus x, sorry, angle 1 plus 60 plus 80 plus 120 is equal to 360. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. You will find angle 1 is equal to 360 minus 260, that is 100. Angle 1 आ गया. Now angle 1 is there, so 100 plus W is equal to 180 linear pair. W is equal to 80 degree. X we have got, Y is there. W. So X Prabsharan, do you have any doubt? Okay. So let's start with the next question that is given on page number 43. Try these. Try these is given. You have given a hexagon and you have to answer the following question. It is a regular hexagon. All its side and all its angles are equal. So you have to find the sum of the all exterior angles. Wait, let me rub this. Hexagon is given. It is a regular hexagon. All its side and all its angles are equal. Each interior angle is A and each exterior angle is X, Y, Z, W, P. This is your P. This is Q. All these angles are given. This is R. This is X. This is Y. And this is your Z. So you have to find the sum of all X plus Y plus Z plus P plus R plus Q. Hexagon is there, so it has 6 sides. So 6 exterior and 6 interior angles are there. So already, obviously 6 exterior angles will be formed. So you have to find the sum. As you know that sum of all the exterior angle is always 360. You can write the answer directly. Second part is, if all these angles become equal, is all these angle equal? Why? X, Y, Z, सारे angle they are equal to one another. Why they are equal? Because the figure is a regular hexagon. So if interior angle is equal, then exterior angle will also be equal. So this is regular hexagon. So if this is a regular hexagon, all angles, all interior angles are equal. This implies all exterior angles must be equal. Is it okay? What is the measure of each exterior angle? We have discussed one formula that sum of all the exterior angle is 360 and each exterior angle is given by 360 by n. Each exterior angle is 360 by n, that is 360 by 6, that is 60. इसका मतलब x, y, z, p, q, r all are 60 degrees. Got it? Can you tell me the interior angle? Each interior angle. If exterior angle is 60 degrees, what will be interior angle?
Ma'am, these will form a linear pair. Ma'am, 180 minus 60, 120 will be the every interior.
Yes. One more way is there. You can use the sum of all interior angle, that is n minus 2 into 180, and you can divide it by 6. That will give you each interior. But better to go for this method. Exterior angle we have got as 60. Then by the linear pair, you will get each interior angle as 120 degrees. Is it okay? Is it okay, beta? So in case of the interior angle, you will not go for the direct formula. You will apply the exterior angle formula, and by the linear pair, you will get interior angle. Is it okay? So next part is there. I'm writing it on this side. Fourth part, each interior angle is 180 minus 60, that is 120. Is it okay? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, so let's start with exercise 3.2. In the second exercise, you have given the figure and you have to find the value of x. Find x. This is 125. This is 125. Arish, want to tell me?
Ma'am, 110.
Tell me the method.
Ma'am, all exterior angles have 360 degrees.
Yes, sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is always 360. So there are 3 exterior angles. In जितने इंटीरियर एंगल होते हैं उतने ही एक्सटीरियर बनते हैं in case of a polygon. 3 exterior angle are there, 2 are already given, so you will find the missing one. One more way is there to find the interior angle, then find x. That will be a little bit lengthy procedure, so better to go for this. In case of exterior angle, you will directly use the property. Write down. Sum of all the exterior angle is 360. Sum of all the exterior angle is 360. Start the next question. Yes, Prabhsharan, do you have any doubt? Yes, Prabhsharan.
No, ma'am, answer of second part.
Okay, start the next question. In case of the next question, pentagon is given. So you have to find exterior angle x. So you will again use the same property. The sum of 5 exterior angles is 360 because it is a pentagon. So 5 interior angles is there. If 5 interior angles are there, then exterior angle will be also 5. तो 5 exterior angle है तो एक x आ जाएगा. 5 angles का sum कितना आ जाएगा? 360. Find the missing angle x. Ananya, is it clear?
मैम मैं ना पूछ रही कि जिस मेथड से हमने पिछला सम किया उस मेथड से ये वाला हो जाएगा क्वेश्चन.
हो जाएगा. हो जाएगा.
ओके मैम.
लेकिन करना नहीं है, छोटे मेथड से करना है क्योंकि एमसीक्यूज अगर आते हैं तो आपको ये वाला मेथड पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो इसलिए आपको ये मेथड आना चाहिए. कर सकते हो, करने को तो जो मर्जी करो, आपकी मर्जी है. ठीक है. प्रभशरण, हैव यू गॉट द सेकंड आंसर?
यस मैम. मैम 40.
40 नहीं, क्या आ रहा है?
मैम 50 है.
प्रभशरण, चेक योर कैलकुलेशंस. यस अनन्या. 50.
मैम आरिश ठीक है 50 आ रहा.
ओके, आंसर इज 50. प्रभशरण, आपने कोई कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक की होगी. ओके, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद. Yes, everybody read out the second question and tell me the method how you will solve this. I'm waiting. You will give me the answer. I don't want answer from only these 3-4 students. I want new one to give me response so that I can see who is active in the class. Janvi, Jasmine, Jia, Madhav, Matangi, Nandini, Navya. Read out the second question. Find the measure of each exterior angle. Sides are given. Yes, the formula for each exterior angle is yes, Akul.
Yes, ma'am, 360 by n.
Yes, write down. For the question number 2, write down n is equal to 9. Number of sides are 9. Each exterior angle is 360 by n. Each exterior angle is 360 by n. 360 को number of sides कितनी है? 9. Divide कर दो, each angle will be 40. Okay.
Yes.
N is equal to 9. Number of sides are 9. Each exterior angle is 360 by n. 360 by 9, that is 40 degree. Is it okay? If each exterior angle is 40, what will be interior angle? Can you tell me each interior angle? 140. 180 minus 40, that is 140 degree. ठीक है? Each interior angle will be 180 minus 40, that is 140. Do the second part of this same question. Number of sides are 15. Number of sides are 15. N is equal to 15. Each exterior angle is 360 by n, 360 by 15. N is equal to 15. Each exterior angle is 360 by n, 360 by 15. (24 degree. Okay? ठीक है? चलो. Question number 3. Each exterior angle is 24. How many sides does a regular polygon have? यही है, reverse. यही क्वेश्चन है. एक्सटीरियर एंगल कितना दिया हुआ है? 24. नंबर ऑफ साइड निकालनी है. 24 यहाँ लिख दो, यहाँ n क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके n आ जाएगा 15. आर यू गेटिंग मी? इसी क्वेश्चन का रिवर्स है. इसमें साइड 15 है, एंगल 24 आया है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन में रिवर्स है, एंगल 24 गिवन है, साइड्स निकालनी है. सो सेम मेथड विल बी देयर. Each exterior angle is 24 degree. Each exterior angle का फॉर्मूला 360 by n is equal to 24. n उधर चला जाएगा. 360 by 24, 15. Number of sides 15. On this coming Wednesday, you have test of your data handling chapter. Okay. On this coming Wednesday, day after tomorrow, you have test of your data handling chapter. That is subjective type test. Okay. Arranged with the graph, construction material that you will be needed in the test. Question number 4. Question number 4 is, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each interior angle is 65? Each interior angle is 165. Yes, make sure that whenever you have given interior angle, you will always find exterior angle, then you will use the formula. Don't go for the direct formula of interior angle. That will be complicated. So interior angle is given. Each exterior angle is 180 minus 165, that is 15 degree. अब each exterior angle का formula क्या होता है? 360 by n. Okay. Now cross multiply, n will go to this side. 360 by 15, 24. नंबर ऑफ साइड्स कितनी होगी? 24. ठीक है, चेक इट, check the answer. Check answer of this question. Yes, Prabsharan.
मैम जैसे आरएच का आंसर 50 आ रहा है सेकंड की फर्स्ट पार्ट का, 50 कैसे आ रहा है? डाउट है मेरा।
90 plus 60 plus 90 plus x plus 70. 90, 92 times, then 60, 70, x. The sum of all these will be 360. 90, 90, 180 और 70 और 60, 130. कितना हो गया? 130 plus 180 कितना हो गया? 310. तो 360 में से 310 माइनस करोगे 50 डिग्री आ जाएगी. Is it okay, Praksharan? Next, question number 5, first part. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with each exterior angle 22? Exterior angle 22 given है. जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में एक्सटीरियर एंगल 24 गिवन है, यहाँ 22 गिवन है. नंबर ऑफ साइड्स फाइंड करो. If you are getting a whole number as answer, then it's okay. Otherwise, it's not possible. Do same as question number 3. Question number 3 is there on the board. Each exterior angle is 22. 360 by 22. Find this and check, are you getting whole number as answer? I think no.
Ma'am, no.
What you are getting after division?
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, 180 by 11.
180 by 11. Okay. You can divide it. You can write the answer in decimal form. So you can write here, it's not possible to have 22 degree as exterior angle. It's not possible to have 22 degree as exterior angle. Okay, start the next part. Can it be an interior angle? Question is, as we have taken 22 degree as exterior angle, if we take interior angle as 22 degree, is it possible? No. What you will do here, interior angle is given as 22. You will find exterior angle first. Question number 5, B part. Interior angle is 22. Exterior angle will be 180 minus 22. 158. ठीक है, 158. Check it. Is it divisible? 79, 180. No, it's not possible. अगर इंटीरियर एक्सटीरियर पॉसिबल नहीं था तो इंटीरियर भी पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. Read out question number 6. Read out and think for the answer. What is the minimum sided polygon? What is the polygon with the minimum number of sides? Regular polygon.
Ma'am, equilateral triangle.
Yes, regular polygon of 3 sides, that is equilateral triangle, is a polygon of minimum number of sides and its each interior angle is 60. If each interior angle is 60, then obviously its exterior angle will be maximum. क्योंकि सबसे छोटा अगर अंदर इंटीरियर एंगल बन रहा है, then its maximum, it will give you maximum exterior angle value. So interior angle will be 60 and exterior angle will be 120 degrees. So the answer of question number 6, first part is, wait, what is the minimum interior angle of a regular polygon? That is 60 degrees. Write down. Minimum interior angle is 60 degree for equilateral triangle. Minimum angle is 60 degree for equilateral triangle. And for the second part, maximum exterior angle is 120 degree for equilateral triangle. Maximum exterior angle will be 120 degree for equilateral triangle. Any doubt? Anything you want to ask? Any doubt from your side, beta?
Ma'am, no.
Yes.
No, I don't. Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, Prabsharan, Ananya, any property from your side, beta, related to square?
Ma'am, its interior angles are 90 degree.
It's all angles are 90 degrees. What about the sides?
The square has 4 vertices and 4 sides.
What about the sides? Do they have any relation?
Ma'am, all sides are equal.
Ma'am, sides are congruent to each other.
Sides are parallel as well as equal. Sides are parallel as well as equal. Is it okay? All the sides of square are equal and parallel. One more thing related to diagonal is all the diagonals of the square are equal. 2 diagonals are there. We all know the formula about the number of diagonals, that is n square minus 3n upon n square minus 3n upon 2. That is the formula. One more formula is there, n into n minus 3 upon 2. These two formulas we have discussed on Saturday or Friday also. Okay. Now we have 3 properties related to square. The diagonals of the square are equal. They bisect each other at right angle. Got it? Diagonals of the square are equal. They bisect each other at right angle. Is it okay? So you can write this definition of square in your notebook. I have already told you the page number that these definitions were given. We have already discussed these things. And these all definition of square, rectangle, rhombus, kite, parallelogram, quadrilateral, you will write in your fair notebook. And tomorrow onward, we will start with the properties of these all types of quadrilateral, and we will do the questions related to these properties related to sides, angles, and diagonals of the square. Is also a type of a parallelogram. Rectangle is also a type of a parallelogram, but in case of square, all sides are equal, but in case of rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel. All angle 90 degree. And one more thing, diagonals of the rectangle are equal and bisect each other, but doesn't at 90 degree. Got it? Diagonals of the rectangle are equal and they bisect each other, they cut each other, but they are not making 90 degree at the center. And rhombus has diagonals which are not equal, but the diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Okay, so these property we will discuss. We have already discussed, but we will discuss again with the questions, and we will do the related questions in the next exercise. Okay, beta, have a good day. See you in the next class.